What's up, y'all? This is Creator We Shoot Films, and I just wanted to give you an update on the Yolocam S3. You know how much I talk about this camera. I love it. It's the best webcam that you will never think is a webcam. But anyway, I want to talk about real quick some of the firmware updates. And if you have the camera, make sure you do that firmware update so you can take advantage of everything. So we're going to start here. The color style. They gave us 3 different color styles. It's sort of like just to get you going, to get a look going. Then you could tweak it from there. You got the Canon, you got the Fairtone, red corrected, and then you got some Sony stuff there. Little choices there. Nothing crazy, but still it might help you out a bit. Next, this is a big one. We asked for it. All right. We have manual focus. All right. We still got continuous. We still got the AFS. We still got the face. Look at that. Flawless still, but we have the manual, and we've been asking for that because people were, me personally, they didn't really care, but it's there. That shows you that they really listen to what we say. And also a quick tip: if you happen to have the manual focus here and you can't, let's say it's blurry already, and you might be paranoid of getting correct focus, all you got to do is open up the zoom it all the way on, and then just focus on yourself. And as soon as you find that focus that you feel is good, just zoom back out. And there you go. Problem fixed. But now, talking about zoom, our next update is the zoom. They give us different levels of zoom. All right. So at 1, you have it's a slow, nice cinematic pace, which I'm a fan of. But if we hit 5, check this out. Boom. Fast. They give you different levels of speeds. I like 2 usually. Very nice and cinematic, but they gave us that. Nice one, YOLO. And for the last update, let's click here to settings, and right here you see the firmware. Actually here you can hit this to know you have the latest update from everything. All right. But right here, always on when not in use. You click on this. Now this is going to keep it on no matter what. The webcams will not turn off no matter what. So me personally, I keep them off. So as soon as I get out of any program that's utilizing the cameras, it's going to turn off. So that's what I want. So that's what I do. Appreciate you, YOLO. So that's about it, y'all. Just wanted to let y'all know about them updates. They're very good, very important. So if you already have the Yolocam, make sure to do the firmware updates on your camera and on the actual software itself. I appreciate you, YOLO, for listening to us. And again, y'all, if you're looking for an amazing webcam with a DSLR look for only $200, this would be the camera you want. All right, take care, be blessed, and keep going YOLO.